In this video, we go over the process of flooring a restaurant kitchen. For this project, we installed a urethane cement flooring system over tile. Our first step was to grind down the tile glaze and remove all the damaged tiles, filling the depressions left behind with cement. After it had dried, we installed the cove base and broadcast the anti-slip texture, increasing impact resistance. Finally, we cleared the working area and poured the top coat. The epoxy protects the cement below and makes cleaning a breeze. Its non-porous surface wards off germs and other microbes, ensuring your kitchen stays spick and span. For more information, contact us at hpsfloors.com or call us at 732 384 5577.